Today we're going to help this little Fiesta ST cut through the fog with a set of LED fog lights from Diode Dynamics. These SS3 LED light pods from Diode Dynamics will be direct replacements for the factory fog lights found in your 2014 through 2019 Fiesta ST. They're going to use the occluded brackets and harnesses to make them a plug-and-play installation and have 3000K light yellow color and 1300 lumens of output. Begin the installation right here on the table by assembling the lights with the supplied brackets. Basically, take the nuts, put them right down in here. And install the screws. There's an adjustment to these. I'll just get them right in the center for now. And you can adjust them on the car if you need to. And then install the pigtail plug. For the install, we're going to show you both sides because they are a little bit different. On the passenger side here, the easiest thing to do is just come up from the bottom here, push the splash shield out of the way, and there's only 2 screws that hold it in. You can reach both screws from the bottom. Start by unplugging it. The other screw will be hard to see, but it's at the opposite corner. So the top corner here and the bottom corner are both just alignment pins. The other screw is up top. Put your hand up over the top. And remove the factory light. Okay, now we can take our new diode light, put her up into place. So I have to twist it a little bit to get it in place. Then reinstall the factory hardware. Now plug it in. We'll move on to the driver's side. All right, so the driver's side's a little bit trickier because we have the windshield washer bottle, so we can't reach up. The easy thing to do here is to unbolt the splash shield and go in from underneath. Now, it's still hard to see with the camera, but the light is right here behind the washer nozzle. So you can come in, the plug is right here, unplug it, then remove the 2 screws just like we did on the other side. Now with the screws out, you can remove the light and replace it with our diode light. Reinstall factory hardware. And last step, plug it in. And reinstall the original splash shield hardware. Now we'll go check our lights, make sure everything's plugged in properly and your installation's finished. Now remember, your ignition does have to be on for the fog lights to work. And if one of the lights does not come on for any reason, just check the plug. It is easy to plug them in backwards and the plug will go in both ways. It won't click though, once you have them right. Flip them up and you're ready to go. We have lights off in the studio with our Fiesta facing the wall about 12 feet away. You can see how sharp the cutoff is with the diode lights and also how wide this is. You know, you're driving at night, a real foggy night, these lights are really going to help out. The Diode Dynamics SS3 pod is going to be way brighter than our factory fog lights, and the yellow is really going to cut through the fog. As far as the installation goes, it's pretty straightforward. You need a T25 Torx bit, something to remove the clips, and then someone to get the car off the ground, whether it be a lift, jack stands, or ramps. The installation will take you about an hour to an hour and a half. Be back on the road in no time.